Pronunciation.
Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
All right, so let's go here. I'm liking this practice of sometimes when certain things go wrong, it actually can be a really good thing because I can't mark on this page, but what I'm doing instead is just listening on and taking notes on a different page so that I'm purely listening.
Wonderful. Actually, I'm an alumni, and so I haven't gone through the modules for a very, very long time. So from this week onwards, I'm planning to listen to the modules and attend as many possible every week, because it's a very continuous process, and until I really improve my modify my accent. So here, I think the one concern I have is sometimes in trying to modify my accent, I can go a little bit too much also. That's a concern also I have. So you want me to start from the beginning there?
Yeah. And another thing that I want to kind of actually just bring up a little bit, you had sent me an email about this, is it's like you're just figuring out how much needs to go into this program, whereas the first time you went through, it was a little bit more rushed. Is that what it was? And then
absolutely. Actually, anybody who coming in, I think this is a course, like a degree or a formal course, but because we have all the modules, or we just listen one there, here and there, and bringing it in a regular schedule, a day to, because there is no exam here. And so many of us, not all of us, but many of us who join here would not get regularly listening to it, attending to it, doing the exercises. There will be a break for a week, and then the break will extend to months. Sometimes it happened to me. So even though I've been in this country for several years and I've been even teaching, and the sound that now I am listening, I'm hearing it differently because of this course. But anybody coming, had I known this is such a serious effort involved here, a regular, continuous effort, I would have scheduled really important times on my weekly for this course, so the breaks would not be there. So without a break, if somebody goes through the program, can make tremendous progress, because the program is fantastic.
Thank you so much. And I think that's just important for people to hear, especially as you're just getting started, because that does be the tendency, is we kind of rush through things, maybe let things slide a little bit. But if you really, and that's why with the confidence piece, the confidence course being part of it, in module 2 of the confidence trainings, we get really clear of why we're here. What's our purpose, so that we can get that strong reason for staying and being disciplined with it. And that is a really key part to doing the work, is really understanding why. Why do you want to be clear? Why do you want to feel confident? What is that going to mean for you in your life? And holding on to that why really strong will give you that power and that consistency to stick with it. So thank you for sharing.
Thank you. I think this week I will focus the module 1 and 2 possibly for the Pronunciation Pro course, and hopefully a couple of modules for the Confident Mindset course be more ready for next week. So
we just kind of want everyone to just feel like no rush. We want to just, this is going to benefit you for the rest of your life. It's going to be huge for the rest of your life if you really give it the time and attention. So that's great.
Also, it's not easy. It's not easy. So it needs lots of practice, lots of listening, lots of attending these classes. It is not easy because they've been programmed from childhood in one specific language, in one specific pattern, and the speed, pronunciation. To change all that is not easy at all.
And we really, as humans, we really want things to be easy, but we recognize, our higher brain self recognizes that anything that was really challenging actually brings more confidence, and it actually brings more satisfaction, when we're really able to do those hard things, and it puts us in a category that's different than the rest. And so the work that you're doing here is not only working on your pronunciation, on your confidence, but it's training you in habits, in skill development, in discipline, in organization, all those kind of things to help you be successful in so many other areas as well. So
No, I didn't think of that. Thank you so much, Annie, because if I can really modify and in a significant way, and people can understand us better, and people notice the change, people even who knew us, that will be definitely a booster for the confidence, isn't it? And take on even bigger challenges and other challenges.
Exactly. It really feeds into other areas. That's what I love so much is this. This is just one area, but it spreads into so many areas. So
Definitely.
Great.
Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to start your free 7-day trial at pronunciationpro.com.